chord we want is G minor. By the way, if you want to skip to the strumming part, I have the timestamp on the screen for you. Alright, so the first chord you want to do is G minor. Then you want to move to C. Then you want to move to F. I was going to say something else. F, and then D minor. Alright, so we have 4 beats on each. It's 1, 2, 3, switch to C, switch to F, D minor, G minor again, C, F, D minor. And that's really the whole song. So let's work on the strumming. For the strumming, I would like for you to give me a really nice beat. So you can add a little bit of percussion to it. And the way we do that is we're going to do down, up, and then a chuck. If you don't know how to chuck, I have a dedicated tutorial for that, but I'm going to like briefly go through it here. If you already know how to chuck, this is a good review. So to chuck, basically all you do is a really fast down strum, but instead of just letting the strings ring, you're muting them with the side, look up, you're muting them with the side of your thumb. So you stop the strings. Sometimes you'll get a little squeak in there. Hear that? But that's okay, because once you're strumming, you don't hear it. So let's try it like super slow. We're gonna do down, up, chuck, and just stop there. Ready, go. Down, up, chuck. Down, up, chuck. Down, up, chuck. Down, up, chuck. Okay, so pause and practice here if you don't know how to chuck. If you've got the chuck, let's do the full strumming pattern. Okay, so the full strumming pattern is down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. So that's for each chord. So let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, you got this. Go. Down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. That's it. Now let's try switching to chord, from chord to chord. I'll go slower. 1, 2, 1, 2, little slower. Go. Down, up, chuck, up, down. C, F, D minor, G minor again. Repeat. So I'm not using the lyrics here because this channel is used by a lot of like elementary, middle school teachers and homeschoolers, and this song has a little bit of like questionable language, so that's why I'm not using the lyrics here. But I know that so much of the audience is older and you like the song, so that's why I'm teaching it. Okay, so here's a modification. If you're not able to chuck or you don't like that, you can do a down, up, slap, up. Down, up, slap, up. Down, up, slap, up. But when I listen to that song, the beats 2 and 4 really sound like a clap. So to just do the song like this sounds too jolly for me, too, I don't know, too happy. And the song has more of a beat to it. So definitely find a way to add that beat to the song and then you'll sound amazing. Alright, this is the tempo of the original song. So let's try it. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, breathe, go. C, F, D minor. That's the whole song. Throughout this video, I've been playing the EUC 25D by Enya. This is a really affordable mahogany ukulele. It comes in a few other colors and it comes with a gig bag, pre-installed strap button, and a few other accessories. So I'll link it down below if you're interested in a really affordable, really great uke. Alrighty, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll catch you in the next one. Sayonara!